Hey guys, SNYTechHD here, and I just installed iOS 14 beta on my personal iPhone, and I've been using it for a while, and I'm gonna show you the best features that we have on iOS 14 that you will be getting this September. So let's get started. So guys, if you want to install this iOS 14 beta version on your phone, the link is in the description. I have made a video tutorial, a quick tutorial on how to install this beta on your iPhone. You can find it in the description or on the top right corner of this video. So let's get started to the review of the iOS 14. So guys, this is my home screen. You can actually add widgets to the home screen. If you go into the edit home screen mode, you can see that you can add widgets and also customize them. So once you click on the plus icon on the top left corner, you can scroll down and add your widgets of your preference. So this only applies to the default iOS widgets. If you want to add other widgets, it cannot be added on the home screen. It might be a feature in the future. If you want to add a new widget, you're just gonna have to tap and then you can just click on add widget and the widget will be added, and you can as well remove it just like that. So now from home screen, if you swipe to the right and you come to the left hand side of the home screen, you're going to find the widget section. You can also customize all these widgets over here, and obviously when you're going to go into the long press option and click on edit widget, you can edit the widget of whatever is placed there. So that is there. And also when you go inside edit home screen, you can click on edit in the bottom and you can add the other apps widgets as we had in the previous iOS also. Now this is the home screen, and as you swipe onto the right, you will find all your apps, and when you go to the last page and you swipe right, you will find the new app library. This is going to consist all the apps. So guys, one thing I noted is that when you have a categorized, so guys, this app library will contain all the apps, and one thing I'm finding tough to get inside is to get inside the whole entertainment section or the whole productivity section. I'm not able to get inside the category. Hopefully Apple will fix this issue, but you're supposed to get inside it like you get inside a folder. So that I'm not able to do it, but when you press on in app, it's gonna launch the app. Hopefully in the next beta version this will be fixed also. So obviously when you swipe down, you're gonna find the list of apps in alphabetical order. This is also there. So as app library has been added now, the one good feature is that when you long press on the home screen and you tap this over here, you can hide these pages. You can just do that and click on done. That page would be hidden. So this is a great feature, and you can keep your home screen really neat and clean. So that is also there. Now control center, there is not much difference. It's the same thing. There has not been any new appearance changes. And also when you open your camera, you can find on the top right corner that a green symbol notifies that an app is using your camera. And also if you're recording audio, the light changes to orange. So then orange means that an app is using your mic, and a green means that the app is using your camera. And also the best feature that is added is for the calls. So when I get a call, it's not going to be full screen. So I'm just going to show you how it's going to be when I get a call. So guys, this is how it's going to look. The call will be a compact call and the call will be on the top. So guys, you can definitely swipe up to ignore the call. It is not going to cut the call, it's just going to ignore. And also you can return back by tapping over here. So that is also there. So this is my favorite feature. So hey Siri, you can see that Siri has been activated like that. It's not going to be full screen, it's going to be very compact, and it's going to look really neat. And also the other thing that I noticed is that when you're using Siri, you cannot use whatever is in the background. It's just a transparent kind of full screen mode, which is looking neater. So hopefully that is going to get fixed. So guys, last but not least, there is a feature in the settings. When you go inside settings and you go to accessibility and you go to touch, you scroll down, you'll find a new feature, back tap. So you can double tap or triple tap at the back of the iPhone to perform a specific action. You can set whatever action you want. So guys, that is all. These are the best features coming on iOS 14. My favorite feature is the compact calls. Comment down what your favorite feature is. Thank you for watching this video guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.